Hi there! Welcome to another video on our LambdaTest tutorial series. In this video, we will find out how you can test your locally or privately hosted websites or web applications on LambdaTest Cloud using the LambdaTest tunnel. So let's get started. To download the tunnel binary, open the Configure Tunnel option from the top navigation bar. Click on the download link and tunnel binary will start downloading. You can also find the download link in the description below. Once you have downloaded the zip file, extract and install it. Let's configure the tunnel for your machine. Open the Configure Tunnel option once again and copy the entire string to your system's clipboard. This string is a combination of your email address and access key. Now, open up your command prompt and route to the tunnel directory. Paste the copied string right there. Execute the command and there you go. With this established tunnel, you can test your locally hosted pages on all 2000 plus browser environments present on the LambdaTest platform. If you open the Configure Tunnel option, you can see the active tunnel right there. You can also use the Lambda Tunnel functionality in all our different feature sets such as real-time testing, screenshot testing, automation testing, etc. To give you a better idea, here's an example of how you can use this tunnel in real-time testing. All you need to do is enter the local URL you want to test, select the tunnel you just established and click Start. You are all set to kickstart your local testing. However, if this downloaded tunnel binary does not work for you, you can download the legacy binary version from the link available in the Configure Tunnel option here. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. We also have a step-by-step guide in place to help you with LambdaTest tunnel configurations. You can find its link in the Configuration Tunnel option here or in the description below. If you face any challenges, please reach out to us via our chat support or drop us a mail at support@lambdatest.com. And yes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more helpful videos like these. Happy testing!